Well, once again today, some of those scattered showers and thunderstorms, they'll stay mostly to our south this evening. 79 at 7 o'clock with partly cloudy skies, 71 at 9 p.m. down to 67 at 11. We should start to clear out here later this evening and into the overnight hours. Clear conditions by tomorrow morning. Overnight lows will drop into the mid and upper 50s up to 62 at 8 o'clock with sunshine, 73 degrees at noon, 79 at 5 o'clock. Might be a couple of fair weather clouds floating around in the afternoon. Again, we do have a flood watch to our south tonight. That's down towards Cincinnati. We'll even have had flood advisories because of 1 to 2 inches of rain over parts of Butler County. Some ponding of water there this evening. And right now, looking at a mostly dry live Doppler 2 HD, but there's one little shower. It looks like right around Kettering, Centerville, 675 just to the north there. This is drifting slowly to the south. And then we have another shower out to the west around Camden and also Houston Woods State Park. Seeing some of that rain tonight. Don't be surprised to have some thunder and lightning and then some showers, which have actually diminished a bit. We had much more in the way of intensity down here under this flood advisory area in effect until 5:15 for Butler County, but those showers there have even weakened a bit. You can see some of the Doppler estimates here, about 0.8 of an inch out along the Ohio-Indiana border, 0.57 of an inch just to the southwest of Middletown. Now, there's one little spot that's an estimate of about 1.5 inches of rain just to that southwest there. Very isolated amounts as the heavier rains were moving through this afternoon over the past couple of hours on live Doppler 2 HD. But you can see the northern Miami Valley pretty much dry. One little isolated shower near Enon went up into Clark County, and of course that one right now around the Kettering Centerville area. But as we go through the evening, once again, just like last night, we're expecting a lot of this to tend to taper off a bit. Winds are out of the north and northeast over the northern half of the state, and that will be pulling in less humid air as we go through this evening and into the overnight hours. So look what happens to our dew point. When it's in the mid 60s like it is now, that's a little bit on the sticky side. Starts to get a little more comfortable as we back off to 61, and once we get those numbers down to low to mid 50s, you are looking at some delightful air, just like coming out of your air conditioner. 54 the low tonight in the northern Miami Valley, 55 Wilmington, 57 here in the Dayton area, and then tomorrow afternoon right into the upper 70s to about 80 for those highs. We had a high today of 84 with enough sunshine around, getting us up there into the mid 80s. 65 our low temperature this morning. Right now though, 82. Winds are still out of the northeast at Dayton International Airport, but it's still a bit sticky, but not too much longer. 80 degrees currently in Springfield. There's the drier, less humid and cooler air northeast of us at Bell Fountain, and then the rain-cooled air to the south with temperatures in the mid-70s at Springboro. Our future track forecast model, though, will show the rain disappearing off the weather map tonight. 6 o'clock in the morning, dry conditions. Look for a lot of sunshine as we go through the day tomorrow as that lower humidity air builds in. Your forecast tonight, some thunderstorms south, otherwise clearing skies, turning less humid overnight down to 57. Sunny skies tomorrow. Looks like a beautiful day up around 80. We'll start off cool, 62 at 8 o'clock, warming up into the 70s tomorrow afternoon, 77 at 2, 79 at 5 p.m., and then a nice weekend, 80 on Saturday, 85 on Sunday. Rain chances coming back early next week.